Hello, family. Hello, friends and new viewers. Thank you so much for having patience last week as I tried to get this video uploaded. Today I'm going to share with you, as well as Happy Sunday, some of my DIYs. So I have made these pumpkins, and I used a burlap bow, and I like to make the bows myself. I also have a wall sconce that I got from a member of my family who's no longer here. It's very old, but I distressed it a little more. And then I made this 2-tier tray. I bought it in silver so that I wouldn't have to paint it. And there's the bottom tier. I jazzed it up with some bling from Hobby Lobby, but that was a while back. So I'm not sure if you can get that one, but they have plenty to choose from. Beautiful ones. Now what you will need to make these pumpkins, and I've dropped them several times, but they have a coating and they're doing fine. You will need one of these. See that? Now right in the top, it has an indentation. And a lot of people cut that out, and then they place fall flowers and leaves on the pumpkin. I don't like to cut my pumpkins. It's up to you. I like to paint my pumpkins and jazz them up with glitter. I use acrylic paint. You can get it at Walmart. It's very inexpensive. My tool of choice is always the foam brush. You're going to need lots and lots of glue to hold your glitter down, especially if you're going to make a tiered tray. You can make 2-tier, you can make 3-tier. I've seen 4-tier. But get your glue guns ready. You're going to need plenty of glue. So get them loaded. Now last summer, I purchased something that had 4 cardboard corners. And I thought, I can do something with that. So what I did was take the corner, paint it, add the greenery, it's moss, some picks, and some flowers. And it goes very well with your fall decor. I'm still here. Bear with me. Now, those of you who have been to my channel, which is Nicole and Entourage, brand new channel, all you have to do is hit on my icon. I have a blue dress on. It will take you right to it. You know that I love cut glass, crystal, antiques, vintage, and country. So I found this vase, and I showed you this display during the summer. Now I'm using it with a country style pumpkin, a little wooden pumpkin I found last year. I have an antique relish dish that I found vintage. And then I showed you during the summer this basket. And I remember telling you, I said I was going to make something for someone. It was so cute, but I may keep it for myself and buy someone another one and make them very happy. So I decided to keep this one, and I'm on the look for another one. I inherited this bell. It's very aged. It has the praying hands, and it has the scripture on the back. The Lord is my shepherd. So now, family, let us go to our selection. Thank you so much. Thank you for hanging out with me. I want to thank Sister Ransom, her beautiful daughter. I want to thank Nicole's family. Thank all my supporters, my subscribers, my visitors. Thank you, Mrs. Taylor. Thank you to my new subs, Gunka, Exmedova, Mikkel. Thank you to Dee and Manny. Shout out Baltimore, Maryland, my hometown. Shout out to all the YouTubers. Shout out to the small YouTubers, which I'm part of the family of the small YouTubers. Shout out to the United States, India, Brazil, Iraq, Mexico, Vietnam, and Russia. We'll just listen to a little bit of this. Thank you, Sister Brehan Sharp, Sister Cole, Sister Ransom, thank you for the use of your CD, your choir. I want everyone to have a very happy Sunday. I wish you a blessed and prosperous week. I love you all. I shall return. Thank you again for your patience. Nicole and Entourage, brand new channel.